Good morning, students. Today we will do some more practical questions of rectification of errors so that you get to know the concepts very easily. So we are doing illustration number 7, rectification of errors. What is the procedure to rectify the errors? All of us, you have to do right entry, then you have to write wrong entry, then after then you have to rectify the entry. Examiner will check only rectifying entry. So these two will be your working notes. These two will be your working notes. No need to write down in the questions. You can write a wrong entry in your working notes. So examiner will check only rectifying entry. Keep this point in mind. So first is illustration number 7. Rectify the following errors. An amount of 2500 spent for the extension of machinery has been debited to wages account. As we know, if any amount spent on asset, then asset should be debited. So the entry should be machinery account debit to cash account. But by mistake, we just debited wages account. So we just do wages account debit to cash account. So as we can see, cash is same. So it will be cancelled. So how you will do the rectifying entry? The right entry will be on right side. Machinery account should be debited, so it should be debited. And the wrong entry will be on opposite side. Wrong, by mistake we debit wages, so it should be credit because wages is excess debit, so it should be credited. So machinery account debit to wages account with 2500. So this is our rectifying entry. Don't forget to write the narration, and the narration is amount wrongly debited to wages account, now rectified. Amount wrongly debited to wages account, now rectified. Similarly, one more entry is there. Rupees 100 paid as cartage for newly purchased furniture. Posted to cartage account. Furniture purchase, so the entry should be furniture account debit to cash account. But by mistake, we are debited cartage account. So we make the entry cartage account debit to cash account. So as I told you, cash will be cancelled. Right entry, furniture should be debited. So furniture account debit and cartage is debit. So it should be credit because it is wrong. So now it will be on opposite side. And what is the narration? Wrongly posted to cartage account, now rectified. Furniture account debit to cartage account. Next we have a builder's bill of 5,000 for erection of small cycle shed. Keep it in mind, whenever you just put a shed, you just put a roof. Whether it is of cemented, it is of iron, it is of tin, it doesn't any matter. It is called building. So building should be debited. But by mistake, we just debit repair account. So the rectifying entry will be building should be debit, so it should be debit. And by mistake repair is debit, so it should be credited. Building account debit to repair. And the narration will be amount wrongly debited to repair, now rectified. Next we have a check of 1700 received from Shyam Sundar was dishonored. Keep it in mind, whenever a check is dishonored, the person who gives us the check will be debited. So, Shyam Sundar check is dishonored. So, Shyam Sundar should be debited in right entry. But by mistake, we just debit allowance account. So, Shyam Sundar account must be debited and allowance wrongly debited. So, it should be credited. It's quite simple. Next, we have 800 page for newly purchased fan posted to purchase account. Newly purchased fan. Fan means fixture. Anything which is fixed in wall, that is called fixture. So fixture should be debited. But by mistake, we just debit purchase account. So fixture should be debited and the wrong purchase should be credited. Anything which is wrongly debit, that should be credited. And anything which is wrongly credited, that should be debited. So it's just a simple. Next, 4,000 the amount of sale of old machinery has been credited to sale account. As I told you recently that anything wrongly credited, that should be debited. So 4,000 spent for sale of machinery. What should be the entry? Cash account debit to machinery. but we just make the wrong entry, that cash account debit to sales account. So cash will be cancelled. Machinery should be credited, so it should be credited. And sale which are wrongly credited, so that should be debited. Sale account debit. And the last entry is 1000 received from X. Right entry should be cash account debit to X. But by mistake, we just put the name of Y in place of X. We just write cash to Y. So cash will be cancelled because on same side and same amount. So X should be credited, that is credited. And Y is wrongly credited, so it should be debited. So in this way we can rectify our errors. I hope it's clear. Thank you.